Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we talk about all things financial literacy. And today, I'm going to show you step by step how to set up your Google business profile in 2024. And this is going to be very important for you to know because it will help you structure your business as well as your online presence. You'll also show up on Google Maps, and that's very important when underwriters are looking at your business. I'm also going to be showing you how to get your business verified, as that is something new and has changed since 2023. In the prior years, they would send a postcard to your physical address or the virtual address that you use. Now that process has changed. So I'm going to show you how I was able to get through that and get my business profile verified. So let's get started. The first step to creating your Google business profile is to create a Google account. Now, some of you may have this in the form of a personal account. My recommendation is not to use that. You want to create a Gmail account that is specific to your business. This will not be the email that you will use primarily for business purposes, but it will be the one that you use to manage your Google business profile. I'm going to create a new business for a barbershop that I'm just going to make up right now. And you can do this by going to accounts.google.com. I put a link in the description for all the things that we're going to be doing. So if you want to pause the video right now, you can click on that link. It'll take you right to this page and you'll be able to follow me step by step. So first step that we're going to do is click on create an account. On this page, if you've ever created a Gmail account, which most of us have, you'll know exactly what to do. You're going to enter your first name. You're going to enter your last name. Now, after you've entered your first and last name, it's going to be some basic information, your birthday and gender. It's going to ask, how will you sign in? This is where you're going to create your brand new email account for this business profile. So I'm just going to make one up really quick for our hypothetical barbershop, and then we'll continue. After that, you'll be prompted to create a strong password that should contain a mix of letters and numbers and a symbol. And then of course, you'll be met with the verification. It's going to send a code to your phone number, and you can verify that information by sending that code. You can add a recovery email if you'd like. And last, you'll have to accept the privacy and the terms. Now, once you're done, you're going to be met with this screen. It's going to say welcome. It'll have your name, and this is going to be your brand new email account that you're going to be using for your business with Google. And now I just made this one, stevenmastercuts@gmail.com. It's going to be for this brand new hypothetical business that we have. Now, for our next step, you're going to go to google.com/business. Again, in the description, if you want to just click the link, it's going to pop up for you. And this should be the screen that you're met with. This is your Google business profile home screen, and this is where you're going to go to manage your business profile. Since we don't have a profile yet, the first thing we're going to do is click on sign in and sign into the new email that we created. All right, so I'm going to enter the email that I just made, and then we're going to go to next. I'm going to sign in with my password. Perfect. We are signed in now, and not now for the pass key if you want to bypass that option. Here is where you're going to discover your business. If you currently already have a business, here's what I would suggest to you. Search for your business right here. If your business is already on here, that means that Google already found your business from online sources, and you'll be able to manage the profile that's already created. You don't want to make a duplicate because you can run into issues later. Now, I found a business called Master Cuts that's in California. I just want to show you as an example what would happen if you did find your business. You would click on it, and once the profile was loaded, you could click on request access, or you could click on manage now. Those would be the two options that you would get if your business was already established. Now, since my business is not established on Google at all, we just made this information up. We can go here and click on create a business with this name. We're going to click on that, and then we're going to select continue. All right, once you select the continue option, this is the screen that you're going to be met with, and you can select all that apply. If your business is an online retailer, then you can choose the online retail option. You can also pick a local store or service business. You can actually select all three if you like. Some people may have a service business that goes out, but they also have a physical location. They also have an online store as well. Or you can just select that you're only online, or that you're just a local or service business. Now, there will be different ways that they verify your business depending on the way that you select here. And we're going to go through the two main options. We're going to go through the local store option, and we're going to go through the service business option. And I'm going to show you what happens when you select both. First one that we're going to try is service business. So let's select this option. You're going to pick your business category. For mine, I'm going to pick haircuts or grooming or something of that nature. All right, so for my business, I'm going to select hair salon, and then we'll click next. What's going to happen is you're not going to have a physical location because you're only a service business. So instead of asking for your actual address, this is going to ask you for your city and the area that you're actually going to operate in. So let's select Las Vegas. Once you select the service area, these are going to be the areas that will pop up in Google search that you provide services. And I'm going to give you an example of what that would look like. I pulled up a mobile car wash that's in Las Vegas. They operate in Summerlin, but notice how when I check it right here, it says serves Clark County and nearby areas. So they serve the entire county that I'm in, and it shows me Summerlin, Clark County, Spring Valley, Henderson, in Las Vegas. And I'm going to show you what this looks like if I actually had a physical address as opposed to just work in a service area. Here is a dog walking business in Las Vegas. Notice it shows the services that they provide here, but then it shows the physical address right here, and it has a dot for the pin location that this business will operate in, and so will these other dog walkers. So that's going to be the difference of how your business will look when it's on Google. So now we're back on the screen to choose a business type. So because I always pick virtual address when setting up a business, let's just choose local store because this will be the option primarily that we're going to be looking at, and then we're going to select next. Now we can enter our business type again. We'll just leave it as hair salon because it's going to be the exact same thing. Let's click next. And this is where it's going to ask for your business's physical location. So once you get to this screen, if you do have a virtual address, this is where you're going to enter that virtual address information. Now, once you've entered that address information, you'll see it show up on the maps with a pin. That's going to be your business, and this is how it's going to show up on your Google business profile. On the next screen, you want to enter your contact details from before. This is going to be your business phone number and your website. You do want to enter your website here because this will also come up on your Google business profile. Once you've entered all that information, you're going to see put your business on the map and get discovered by people in your area, respond to reviews, manage your business details across Google. If you want to get news and tips about how to improve your business, then you select this check option. Or if you want to get invitations to participate in occasional survey pilots, then you can select that option. I'm going to uncheck both those options and then click continue. All right, so in the next step, it's going to verify that we actually manage this business by sending a code to our phone. So we're going to click next, and then we're going to move on to the verification step. Now, once you've gotten the code and you've entered it in, you're now verified, and you can reply to reviews, turn on chat, and more for your Google business profile. Before we move on and show you how to set up the rest of your Google business profile, there is a step that is a lot harder than it used to be for a lot of people that have a virtual address. Now, as you saw for me, and probably because I've had multiple Google business profiles, it let me send a text to verify my business, probably because my number was recognized. But more than likely, you'll be presented with verifying your business by recording a video. And this is where a lot of people have a hard time who have a virtual address, because they want you to record a video for at least 30 seconds, but no longer than 5 minutes. When you do this, you have to show that you are actually the owner of this business and that you're able to operate at the location that is on your business profile. Now, I'm going to tell you exactly what I did with my virtual address in order to get verified and get my profile set up properly. First thing I did, I went on the street that my virtual address was on. Normally, your virtual address is on a mailbox. You either have a virtual mailbox or you may have a virtual office. For a virtual office, I believe this will actually be a little bit easier. Now, if you have the virtual mailbox, then here's the method that I would use. I would record the street sign that's by your business or your virtual address. I would record it, record yourself walking inside. Some of you have access to keys. If you do, use your key to open up the door, record that, and then record yourself getting your mail. That will work. You'll be able to get your business verified. Let's say you don't have a key. record the street that you're on with the street, walk to the virtual address office, go inside the office, and you can talk to the receptionist and you can ask them to hand you your mail. I also suggest that you grab business cards or you create a business card. That's what I did. Record your business card of your business and then ask them for either your lease agreement. Like, for example, if you have Regis, they give you a virtual address lease agreement. You can also print that out and record that. And you want to do this in one continuous video. Again, record your street sign, record yourself walking into the virtual address or virtual office, ask them for the mail, record your business name and information on the mail, or you can also record your business card with the address and then record a copy of the lease agreement or the agreement that you had. If you don't have one, ask the, if it's iPostal, if it's Allegiant, if it's Regis, they'll present you with one if you ask for it. So no worries there. They're more than happy to help you when it comes to setting up this profile. The other thing, if you have a service business, if you're a service business, what you can do is record a video of the street the exact same way that I just talked about. Then record your branded vehicle. Most places with a service business usually have a vehicle or something that shows their business or their logo. If you don't, easiest way, grab your business cards. So record the actual street sign, record yourself walking into your car, record the business card, and then present like maybe some mail with with the service area or something with your business name, or present something that will show that your business operates. The only thing I could think of for service would be the card, your business card. If you don't have like a branded business vehicle, you only have to be, again, in the area so that they know this is where you work and this is what you do. This may take a few tries. For me, it took about 3 tries, but I was able to get my business profile verified. And it seems like whenever I look at trying to set up a new one, I don't run into these issues moving forward. So just get it established. This is the way that I did it, and it did work for me. So just follow those exact same steps and you should be okay. I'm just going to go over this one time so that way you know some of the key details. But verifying your business with a video recording. You can verify your business with a video upload that captures key details. The video helps us confirm that you represent the business. Video verification is for businesses with a physical storefront, service providers without a physical location, or hybrid businesses. Knowing your business type helps you understand what details to capture in your verification video. Before you start, important, your video recording should not include any sensitive information like bank accounts, tax, or identification numbers, any other private information about yourself or others, or other people's faces. Take the time to plan your video. You can't record a video offline and then upload it. That's important. This has to be one continuous video that is live. It has to be unedited, unique, and again, one continuous recording without breaks. At least 30 seconds, but no longer than 5 minutes, recorded and uploaded from a mobile device through your business profile. And if you have questions or concerns about this, then you can go to support.google.com, and that's going to be /business. It will have this information if you want to watch some of their videos and information guides about how you can do this. But again, it's pretty easy. Tap get verified, capture video, start recording. You could be asked to allow access to the camera and microphone, record the video, tap recording, tap upload, and then you're going to wait for a review. So again, if you have any issues, come back to this page. Make sure you meet the criteria, use the tips that I just provided, and you should be good to go. Now we're back on the customized profile page to add your services, and Google will suggest some predetermined services for you based on the option that you chose. For my hair salon, so if I do hair coloring, hair styling, bang trims, beard trims, blow dry, blowouts, whatever the case may be, you can select the option. You can also select to show more, or you can also add a custom service. So select the ones that are applicable to your business and then click next. The following step is going to be your business hours. Now you can select whichever hours that you will be available to be open. Again, this information will be on Google and they will see this. Any customers that you have will see these hours, and they will take that as the hours that you are available for business. You can go and update this. My suggestion would be to just start it with regular business hours, maybe 9 to 5, close Saturday and Sunday if you're not too sure about what your hours are going to be. In this step, you're going to be adding your business description. This lets customers learn exactly what your business is about and lets them know what you do and the services that you offer. The description is going to be on your search, maps, and other Google services. So if you're trying to get searched for a particular thing that you do, I would make sure to be intentional about the description and put all the details that you would like a customer to know. The last part that you're going to set up is your Google photo. So this is going to be a photo of your business, maybe some of the services that you offer. You want to let customers kind of peek inside of your business, maybe inside of your location, or if it's just a virtual address, maybe you take a picture of your products or the services that you provide, just something to basically give a photographic representation of your business and what it stands for. You also have the option to claim your $500 advertising credit if you want to advertise your business using Google Ads. That can be a completely separate video. So for now, we're just going to skip that option. We're not going to claim this credit. Now, here's where you can get a custom email with premium features to elevate your business. I normally do not get my custom emails from Google. Normally, when you set up your website, you get the option to create a custom domain email. But if you don't have that and you do want to have one with Google, then you can set one up now and you can try the Google Workspace. If not, then you can skip this option as well. All right. And then it says your edits will become visible once you're verified. So you can continue to make updates to your profile at any time. All your edits will be visible to customers on Google once your profile has been verified. And then I just went ahead and did a quick search of the business. So you can see Steven Mastercut. You can see the location here. So it's on Google right now. They also have the website. I can do my directions to find, and you manage this business profile. And as you can see, it has the check on it. So it has been verified. This is how you would set up your Google business profile and how you would verify the account. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you looked at your Google business profile and you see something that came up and said your business profile cannot be seen until it's verified, that just means that they still need to verify that profile for you. In my example, of course, things just went right, I guess, and it was verified right off the bat. But normally you'll see something that says your business profile still needs to be verified. Refresh that screen and just check on it for the next 24 to 48 hours just to make sure that it has been verified. If it hasn't, it will tell you there, and then you may have to resubmit the business video verification. If not, and it shows up with the blue check, you're all verified. Just give it a few days and you'll be able to search yourself. The more information that you provide to Google in terms of your business, like again, when I said 411 directory, creating your social media account, linking all of these things, it's going to make it very easy for your business profile to be found and for people to find your business. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Thank you again for watching, and you guys have a wonderful day.